So first of all, let's start with the simple product. So the simple product is a product that you can buy as it is. There is no variation. There is just one way to have this product. So for example, the microphone that I'm using is this one, the Rode PodMic. You use this microphone, there is no different size, there is no different colors, like it's just this microphone, there is no options if you want. So this is what we call a simple product. So for example, this microphone or a book, for example, as well, it will be a simple product. So yeah, that's the type of product where you have no options. Then we have the variable product. So here a great example are t-shirts, because for the same t-shirts, you might have multiple colors and multiple size as well. So it's the same t-shirt. We don't want to create multiple different products. We can create only one product and then assign to this product different colors, different size, which create multiple variation. So that's why we call this type of product a variable product. So yes, t-shirt, pants, hats, like almost everything into clothing will be a variable product. Then we have subscription type of product. So for example, Amazon, they have Amazon Prime, which is $14.99 per month to get all the Prime benefits. So this is an example of a subscription type of product. You can sell physical product through subscription or digital product, doesn't really matter. Then the next type of product is the virtual product. So once again, Amazon does it as well with their Kindle offering. So Kindles are the digital version of the book. So it's a virtual product that Amazon sells as well. And on top of that, they also have Kindle Unlimited, which is a subscription of virtual products. But you can as well buy only the virtual product if you want. And it's also possible to subscribe to Kindle Unlimited, which is a subscription type of product. So let's go. Now I will show you how to add each type of product into your store.